Phyllis dropped done after she hear what Rochelle to watch till the end.
Yeah. The man where Rihanna pregnant for is my husband. Phyllis. Miss Phyllis. Phyllis. Miss Phyllis. Phyllis. Miss Phyllis. 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 Miss Phyllis. 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 Phyllis.
Oh man, catch out to talk to. Who is this calling me back?
Phyllis. Phyllis. Phyllis.
You see how you make me give you granny G?
Miss Phyllis.
Hello.
Yeah, me say hello, me say Phyllis, Phyllis, me not hear anything.
Yeah, answer.
Me never did that hear Miss Phyllis, me never did that hear. So me say Rihanna, what go happen now? Cause you see, but I mash my marriage mash up, you know, Miss Phyllis.
Who did you talk to me?
Rochelle, this is Miss Rochelle.
Which Rochelle?
Miss Rochelle, Miss Rochelle.
From where?
Portmore.
Yeah, you know.
Yes, so me say the man what your granddaughter breed for is my husband, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So me say what go happen to that? What go happen?
Girl, you still have a belly or you have a pitney?
What you mean by you don't know?
So if she agreed to your husband, let's finish scared about that.
How far the belly arm gone?
Me don't know nothing.
You don't know anything?
Me see her. What me don't know?
You know that Rihanna rumors going around that Rihanna said, that you said, right? Rihanna said you say no. She fi keep the baby for the married man. You said that.
I mean, I don't know nothing.
And that me a ear.
Not that me here.
And that me a ear.